A man was shot dead while on his parked motorcycle in Geneva Grange Hill on Saturday night. He has been identified as 49-year-old Anthony Simit, a carpenter from the community. Reports from the police are that Simit drove his purple covered motorcycle to Rory Street and stopped at a section of the roadway where he sat on his bike in front of a board shop. Residents then reportedly heard several loud explosions shortly after and saw Simit fall from his motorcycle. The police were subsequently alerted. On arrival of the police, Simit was found beside his motorcycle, lying on his right side in a pool of blood, suffering from what appeared to be multiple gunshot wounds to his head and upper body. He was taken to Savannah Public General Hospital where he was pronounced dead. It was the second murder in Grange Hill over the weekend. A 65-year-old man perished in a suspected arson attack that left a 4-bedroom house gutted in Tollgate, Clarendon on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as Roy Thompson, a carpenter of Old Road in Tollgate. Another occupant, a 64-year-old amputee, managed to escape the blaze. Trelawny police are probing the circumstances surrounding Saturday morning's killing of a 64-year-old man at his home. The deceased has been identified as Claude Chamberlain, also called Crampy, of Martha Brae in the parish. According to reports from the Corporate Communication Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Chamberlain was at his home about 9 a.m. when he was shot by men who alighted from a Toyota Axio that drove up. Upon the arrival of members of the police who were summoned, they discovered Chamberlain's bullet-riddled body. Investigations continue. A man was shot dead at his house in Crowther District, Grange Hill, Westmoreland on Saturday afternoon. He has been identified as 22-year-old Alex Mackenzie, otherwise called Bad from the community. The incident happened at 3:40 p.m. Reports from the police are that residents heard a barrage of loud explosions sounding like gunshots. The police were summoned, and on arrival, Mackenzie was found in a field behind his house, lying face down, with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his face and head. He was transported to Savannah Public General Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Investigations are ongoing.